Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell button so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. Hey you guys, it's your boy Gary3FX, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing and review of the Canbor virtual reality headset. This virtual reality comes with a remote controller, so you can control the games with that remote. Okay, so this, as we can see on the front of the box, we have the picture of the device, just the virtual headset. Okay, so we have focus, objective settings, and pupil distance adjustment. Alright, so on the side we don't have that much information, since on the bottom we just have the logo, Canbor virtual reality headset, and on the top same thing. So let's open up the box and see what's included on the box. So okay, so the first thing we can see is the headset itself. Alright, so we got the headset. Okay, pretty nice. The quality is pretty steady, good. It's made by plastic, and we can open, and here is where you lay your device, and you just close it up, and right here is the adjustable wheel for the lenses. So every time that you turn the wheel, it goes to your right to adjust your eyes. And as you can see, you have like a cushion, so it won't bother you while you're using it. So pretty good stuff. Okay, right here we have the code for to download the app to your device, and we have some knobs right here. Oh, this is cool. So if you can bring it up and down, I mean forward and back, so you can adjust the distance of your eyes to get a bit better quality on the video. So you can play games with this VR set. You can also watch 3D movies and so much more. So you can do roller coasters and all the applications for VR. So you can run in this one. All the Google VR games and stuff like that is gonna work with this one as well. So let's continue seeing what else we include in the box. So with this, we have this kind of pads that comes on the box. Alright, so what else we got? We have the remote controller. This is the one that I was telling you about, guys. So you have the remote controller, so if you want to play a game, you can do it through here. You got 4 buttons and also a power button. And so in total 6 buttons on the remote. You have the iOS and Android switch. And you got 2 more at front, so actually there are 8 buttons in total. So it's pretty customizable. So a lot of buttons that you can do a lot of stuff on this one. So we got the manual and a cleaning cloth for the lenses, and we have the manual. It's on Chinese on one side, and we have the English version on the other side. So basically you got to read the manual. I'm gonna read it and see how to hook up the remote controller to my I got a Galaxy S9, so to the Galaxy S9, this is the one that I'm gonna be using with the device. So I'm gonna read the manual, download the application that it needs to be downloaded, set it up, and I'm gonna test it out and see how it works. Okay, so another manual. So it's 2 manuals in total, so explaining you what's what, so you can see. Alright, so you got all the explanations that you need on this manual, so pretty good. In Chinese and English, so good stuff. Like I said, it's a pretty steady device. I like the quality, and all we need to do is put it on and see how it fits, how it feels also, if it's comfortable, and all the good stuff. So let me set up my cell phone, hook it up with the device and the remote, and I'll be right back. To connect the remote controller, all you need to do is put the batteries in, go to your Bluetooth settings on your device, and then press the power button until the light start blinking. Once it blinks, go to your device and do a scan, and you will find the VR box. You're gonna click on the VR box, it's gonna pair, and right after that you can actually navigate through the device with the remote controller. Pretty easy setup for the remote controller. Okay, by the way, you will need the Canbor Google app to be able to play on this device or watch videos and more stuff. Okay, so once you install it, you're gonna open it. It's gonna ask you to set up. Let's get up set up. So we're gonna go to next, and it's gonna ask you to find the cardboard symbol on your viewer. In the box you will find this symbol. All you need to do is synchronize it, and now you successfully pair. So that's how you set up your device. It's gonna ask you to insert it on the device, and after that you can start enjoying. So that's how you insert it. Okay guys, and this is the first game that we're gonna try. This is well, it's not a game, it's a roller coaster. And right here I'm gonna actually set up my device to my view. So pretty good. You can actually set up and down to actually you get the right view. So I'm gonna pick freely right, and then you can use your remote to select it. Okay, pretty good. It works pretty good. And it's pretty comfortable. You can actually set up everything over here if you to make it steady. So let's see this, and you can put the volume up and down through here. Pretty amazing. Good. Whew. Really nice experience. Remember, you can watch 3D movies through this VR. You can play games, watch movies, do roller coasters like this, and download unlimited apps and do whatever you like as long as VR. So pretty nice. Wow. Okay, so I don't see the point of this thing. Oh, I think I don't have to crash around this thing. Okay, so let's try a different game. This kind of boring. Okay, now we're trying the game, see how it performs. So let's take a look at the game. Alright, continue. Let's do it. So basically all you need to do is look at the spaceships and you start shooting. There you go. Got it. What are you? Where are you guys? There you go. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. Whoa. Gotcha. No, I didn't. So it's pretty responsive. Pretty good. Quality as well. Doesn't hesitate at all. I can go like this. It's still steady. And it's pretty comfortable. These cushion things, they made it really comfortable over your face. So really good. Now let's try a roller coaster. Normal roller coaster. So let's do that. Let's do the T-Rex Escape. Let's play again. I'm kind of suck at this game, guys, but you get the idea. Hi. Get out of here. Well, as you can see, pretty nice. You can play really well with this thing. So let's take it off and let's do the final thoughts about the device. Okay, guys, the Canbor VR, you cannot go wrong with it. It's $30. It comes with the mouse remote. You can watch 3D movies, all VR games, all VR roller coasters, apps, movies, even the YouTube videos for the VR, you can watch it on this. So if you ask me, it's a must-have. It's pretty fun to have. Like I said, $30 if you want to get one of these. I'm gonna leave a link under the description on how to get it or where to get it. So pretty nice. It's something really excited to have, and if you like 3D movies, you might like getting one of those. Of this. So there you have it, guys. This is the review of the Canbor VR with the remote controller. Everything that you need is going to be on the description. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you buy it and enjoy it. If you do, have fun. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.